Well, welcome back to the Rhonda Effect YouTube channel. I'm your host, Rhonda Arnott. And today we are going to be diving into a very fascinating topic that has the potential to transform your life. What is it? Hypnosis for wellness. I found this so fascinating that I became a certified hypnotherapist practitioner. And if you're curious what hypnosis is, how it works, how it can benefit you, then you need to keep watching this video. But first, I want to talk about what hypnosis actually is. Hypnosis is relaxation plus a focused and powerful tool that allows us to access our subconscious mind. And this is where we can actually make positive changes to our thoughts, our behaviors, and our emotions. There is a misconception, sometimes there's a misconception of what hypnosis is. I've already told you what it is, but some people think that hypnosis is spooky. They think that it's mind control, that you're asleep, and it's none of that. You will never be asked to stand up while watching my videos to start barking like a dog or clucking like a chicken. That is strictly entertainment purposes. That is not what you're doing here. Another way of looking at it, our bodies are like robots that simply respond to instructions from our mind. Okay, during a hypnosis session, as a certified hypnotherapist, I will guide you into a deeply relaxed state. This state is very similar to the feeling that you get when you're daydreaming or when you're completely absorbed in a book. Have you ever felt like that? You're completely absorbed or you're daydreaming. That's what hypnosis feels like. And in this relaxed state, your subconscious mind becomes more receptive to positive suggestions and affirmations. Now, let's talk about the benefits of hypnosis. Here's just a few ways that hypnosis can positively impact your life. Number one, stress reduction. Yes, that's right, stress reduction. Hypnosis can help you manage stress by promoting relaxation and reducing your anxiety level. Imagine feeling a sense of calm and peace in your professional or personal life. Hypnosis can improve your sleep. And if you struggle with insomnia or restless nights, hypnosis can guide you into a deeper, more restorative sleep, helping you wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Hypnosis can help break bad habits. Whether it's smoking, overeating, procrastinating, hypnosis can help you break free from these unhealthy habits and replace them with more positive behaviors. Hypnosis can also help with pain management. Hypnosis has been used as a very effective tool for managing chronic pain, helping you reduce your dependency on medication and improve your quality of life. Hypnosis can also help boost confidence and self-esteem. By accessing your subconscious mind, hypnosis can help you overcome self-doubt. It can help build confidence and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Hypnosis can also help in the social settings. It can help overcome social anxiety. Have you ever felt nervous when you are in social situations? I know I have. Hypnosis can help you build confidence and help you feel more at ease when you're interacting with others. Hypnosis can also help by enhancing relationships, by improving your communication skills. Looks like I'm having some problems with that right now, but it can help with you improving your communication skills. And it can help build stronger, more meaningful relationships with your family, your friends, your coworkers. Hypnosis can also help manage stress. If you are often overwhelmed with emotions like anger, sadness, or fear, hypnosis can teach you how to manage these emotions more effectively, leading to a more balanced life. So the question you're asking now is, how does hypnosis work? Well, I'll give you a simple breakdown of what a hypnosis session is with me. But before I do, I need to ask you something. Did you watch the video that's called the lemon test? Did you watch the lemon test video? Did you salivate? The first time I did that test, my mouth was like Niagara Falls. I didn't even have to get to the end and my mouth was watering. It is so remarkable. If you watched the video and your mouth wasn't watering, perhaps you weren't in a space that had no distractions. Go back and watch the video and get into a space that has no distractions, no sound except for my voice as you're watching the video. Watch it all the way through, and I will bet you your mouth will water. If you haven't watched the video at all, go back and watch the lemon test video. It is really remarkable. So here's how hypnosis session works. First, this called induction. This is where I guide you into a very deep state of relaxation, often using techniques like guided imagery or progressive muscle relaxation, where you go from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, relaxing the muscles. The next stage is deepening. As you become more and more relaxed, I help you deepen this state, allowing you to access your subconscious mind more effectively. The next stage is suggestion. In this receptive and open state, this is where I will introduce positive suggestions and affirmations that are tailored specifically for your goals and your needs. And the last stage is called awakening. This is where I gently guide you back to full awareness, feeling refreshed and revitalized. Hypnosis is a very impactful modality for several reasons. It's a natural, non-invasive approach to wellness that often complements other treatments and therapies. Hypnosis empowers you to take control of your own mind and make lasting positive changes. It also addresses the mind-body connection, promoting an overall wellness and harmony. Hypnosis can be tailored specifically to your needs or desired outcomes. So let me ask you this. You are interested in experiencing the benefits of hypnosis for yourself, aren't you? Leave a comment below or connect with me on Instagram at Rhonda.Arnott. And remember, Hypnosis is a powerful tool for transformation, and having me as your guide, you can unlock your full potential. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from learning about hypnosis. Feel free to leave any comment or questions below, and myself or my team will get back to you as soon as possible. So until next time, take care and be well. And remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. Embrace the journey and trust in the process.